What specific contributions or achievements do you believe set you apart to be the Model Employee of the Year?
Well, honestly, sa tingin ko marami talagang deserving pa bukod sa akin. So, what set me apart sa kanila is siguro I have a lot of patience. Kahit siguro under pressure na, may deadline ako, compose ko pa rin yung sarili ko and nakuha ko pa rin ngumiti. Karoon din ako ng positive mindset na matapos sa oras yung kailangan kong matapos para yun nga, para yung task ko for the day is magawa ko ng maayos.
How much this award meant to you at work and in your life?
Sobrang grateful ako yung napili as Model Employee of the Year. Siguro kung meron man akong na-realize na natutunan is I always see good things in everything. I understand my co-employee more. Mas napamahal sa akin yung trabaho ko and ayun nga, mas masaya ako sa every time na pumapasok ako.
What advice would you give others to inspire them to reach the same level of excellence and be recognized as the next Employee Model of the Year?
Gawin mo yung trabaho mo kahit minsan parang ayaw mo siyang gawin. Kumbaga, do it anyways. Yung kaninang nararamdaman mo na nalulungkot ka, tinatamad ka, masishift to into motivation na mas gusto ko siya tapusin ngayon. Always choose good than to be right. You will never go wrong pagka pinili mong maging mabuti sa kapwa I-reward ka ni Lord nun and then the universe will conspire in favor of you.